This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rosie Shetley. Discover your dream home in this stunning 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath Pulte home featuring the desirable Dockside floor plan from the Elite 60 series in the highly sought after Epperson Lagoon Community. Spanning 2,565 square feet, this residence offers an open layout ideal for modern living and entertaining. Enjoy seamless indoor-outdoor connectivity with exterior pocket sliding doors leading to a screened covered lanai, perfect for relaxing while taking in breathtaking lake views and magnificent sunsets. The home boasts luxurious upgrades, including a super walk-in shower in the primary bathroom, tray ceilings in the living room and primary bedroom, and upgraded cabinets with pull-out drawers. Elegant Boston Perla diagonal 18 inches by 18 inches tile flooring runs throughout, complemented by gray expo quartz countertops. Additional features include 9 feet 4 inches ceilings, upgraded 8-foot interior doors, fans in every room, and a water softener pre-plumbed in the garage. The gathering room is equipped with an electric floor outlet, and the garage includes a 240 volts connector for electric cars. Security is paramount with a whole house alarm system. Residents will also enjoy exclusive access to the community's 7.5-acre Crystal Lagoon, complete with its own white sandy beaches, the first of its kind in the United States, boasting sandy beaches, paddleboarding, kayaking, live music events, and exclusive celebrations for residents. The community quarterly HOA fee also includes cable and ultra-fi internet. With plenty of schools to choose from in the area, be sure to check out Kirkland Ranch, School of Innovation nearby. Don't miss this unique opportunity to embrace a luxurious lifestyle. Schedule a showing today. For more information, review the details below.